In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write align dates on resume in Google Docs. Getting your dates to line up neatly on the right makes your resume look polished and easy to scan, and it only takes a minute to set up. Start by opening your resume in Google Docs. Once your document is open, place your cursor on the line that contains a date, like the end date for a job or the date for an award. With the cursor on that line, press the Tab key. You'll see the date move toward the right margin. This is a quick fix when you only need to push a single date across, but let's make it consistent so every date lines up perfectly without guesswork. To create consistent alignment across multiple entries, set a Right Tab Stop. Go to the top menu and choose Format, then Align and Indent, and then Tabs. In the tab settings, set the tab stop position to the right margin. On a standard US letter page with 1-inch margins, that's typically around 6.5 inches. Choose Right as the alignment, so anything placed at that tab stop will align flush with the right edge. Then click OK to save that tab stop. Now, before each date you want aligned, place your cursor where the date should begin on its line and press the Tab key once. The date will jump to the right and snap to the tab stop you just set. Repeat this for each entry, and you'll get a clean, consistent column of dates that line up perfectly on the right side of the page. If something doesn't look quite right, adjust spacing as needed to keep your text and dates neatly balanced. For example, if a long job title or description pushes a date onto the next line, trim the wording slightly, or move a few words to the next line so the main text reads cleanly and the date has space to sit on the right. Make sure you're using a single tab before each date rather than multiple tabs, which can create uneven spacing. If your page size or margins are different, you may need to adjust the tab stop position to match your right margin. The key is to set it exactly at the edge where you want the dates to align. That's it. Open your resume, tab the date, set a right align tab stop, and then press Tab before each date to keep everything consistent. With a few simple tweaks, your resume will look more professional and much easier to read.